Okay, to get started on the peanut butter balls, I've got 1 stick of salted butter. I like the salted. Butter softened. You just kind of mix it up a little bit. I use Kerrygold, but you can use whatever kind of butter you would like. And then I've got 1 cup of creamy peanut butter. I'm gonna mix them two together. I like my peanut butter balls to be a little moist. I don't want them to be dry. So I'm gonna slowly add powdered sugar to get to the consistency I like. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of Mexican vanilla. I just eyeballed it. That smells good. Okay, now I'm gonna get my powdered sugar. And I have a, let's see. This is a 3/4 cup measuring cup. I know it'll probably take 2 of those. I'm gonna use 1. And then I'm gonna stir a little and then add the second one. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add the second one. See how creamy looking that is? I'm gonna taste it and see if it's sweet enough. That is so good. Okay, I'm just gonna add a tiny bit more of powdered sugar. Probably be about 2 tablespoons. Okay, I'm going to get my parchment paper. I've got one of these ice cream scoops. This one is, I can't see the number on it. It's one of the small ones. But I'm just going to start putting them out on the parchment paper. And then you'll put them in the freezer and let them set up, and then we'll dip them in chocolate. Okay, now I'm gonna set these. 5, 10, 15, 20. I got 20 of them. And I'm gonna set these in the freezer until they get firm, and I'll bring you back. Okay, my peanut butter balls have been sitting in the freezer for about an hour. And I have my chocolate wafers melted. I use these Ghirardelli dark chocolate. Okay. And I just wanna take a fork and then just start dropping them in the chocolate and then rolling them around and then place them back on my parchment paper. To me, it doesn't matter. I don't care if they're smooth. If you want them smooth, then you can roll them out. It doesn't matter to me, so I'm just gonna do that. And then you just do that till you get them all done. Okay, now after I got them dipped, I'm gonna put them back in the refrigerator. I like them rustic looking, but if you want them perfectly round, then you just roll them up in little balls and then dip them. I'll show you what I'm gonna do with the rest of the chocolate. Okay, with the rest of the chocolate, which there's not a whole lot left, I've got some of these salted mixed nuts. Just gonna add some of those to the chocolate. And then some mini marshmallows. A few mini marshmallows. And then you just kind of mix it up. Okay, and then you add it to the parchment paper. And you just kind of spread it out. Now you just pop this into the refrigerator and let it set up. And I'll bring you back when they get done. Okay, now I've got a little bit of white chocolate. I'm gonna drizzle on some of them. Just drizzle around. You don't have to do this. I just thought it'd be cute. Okay, now on my nuts and marshmallows, I'm gonna drizzle this on top. Marshmallows? I'll get you some more marshmallows, okay? Okay, then after you drizzle your white chocolate on there, then you can just sprinkle some M&Ms. Mini M&Ms if you want to. Look how pretty. Looks like Christmas. You want some marshmallows? Okay, Mim, I'll get you some. Okay? Okay, after it sets up, you can just break it. I'm gonna give it a try. That's good. Hope you give it a try. You want more marshmallows? Okay, I'm gonna cut one of these. Look how good looking. That's good. I hope you give it a try. Thank you so much for watching. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas.